Let's make Haleem, and let's make it so that it's easy for everyone using an Instapot or pressure cooker. Haleem is a dish made from meat and grains cooked and blended together and enjoyed with a naan. Hello, I'm Masala Mama. Subscribe, like, and share our videos. Press the bell icon to receive notifications of our latest videos as they are posted. And now we are on TikTok. Follow us on @WatchMasalaMama. Chalo, let's go. For this recipe, you'll need chicken, ginger garlic paste, oil, fried onions, water, and Shan Shahi Haleem mix. This is the Shahi Haleem mix that I use, and I found it to be very good. It comes with spices and grains already in the box. Please note that before you start cooking, you'll have to wash, rinse, and soak your lentils in water for 4 to 6 hours or overnight. Set your Instapot to saute mode. Measure out your oil and pour it in the pot. Now add your garlic paste and your ginger paste and mix it up. Now add your spice mix. Sprinkle it in and mix it up so the spices get cooked. Once that is done, add your chicken pieces. You want to sear the chicken pieces on both sides, about 2 to 3 minutes per side, so that it's well coated with the spice mix. Strain the grain and lentil mix and pour the mixture over the chicken like this. Now add 4 cups of water, mix it up, and close the lid. Set your timer to 15 minutes and turn on your Instapot. Once the timer is done, you can let the pressure release like this, or you can just let it sit until the pressure releases naturally. Making sure there is no more pressure inside, open the lid and remove the chicken pieces. Set them to cool before you shred them. Take an immersion hand blender and blend the lentils into a soft and creamy mixture. It should have some bits and pieces that are still whole. Personally, I like my Haleem grainy, but traditionally Haleem is more smooth and creamy in texture. So if you want it to be more smooth, when you're blending using the immersion hand blender, continue blending it until it's a very soft and smooth texture. Shred your cooled chicken into fine threads, like this. Place the shredded chicken back into the Instapot and give it a good mix. Now you can add 1 cup of fried onions and let them mix so they soften within the Haleem. And that's it, you're done. I have a serrano pepper growing outside, which I'm going to take out and use as a garnish. I'm going to chop my peppers, and I'm also going to use some lemon to squeeze over my Haleem. Serve your Haleem in a bowl. I'm going to sprinkle some garam masala. Check out my recipe on how to make that. I'm also going to add some of my chilies and a squeeze of lemon. And now, let's eat. And this is the best way to enjoy your Haleem, all by yourself on the porch where the kids are nowhere around. Take your delicious naan, scoop up the Haleem, and enjoy every bite. Oh, it's so good. Oh, and it's so hot. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, I'm on TikTok now because I'm a cool mom. Follow me at Watch Masala Mama. Until next time, Masala Mama out.